Talkio AI Review. So what is Talkio AI? Talkio AI is a progressive language learning platform powered by ChatGPT and other LLMs, offering real-time voice and text conversations with over 400 AI tutor personalities, supporting over 100 plus languages and accents. It emphasizes spoken fluency, pronunciation feedback, and roleplay and vocabulary practice via the voice-based chats. They even have workbooks and topic discussion features. They only have a lot of strengths, and why it's legal is useful is because of its extensive language support. They even have pronunciation feedback tool, and they also have voice and text chat interface. And as you can see, they have a lot of spotlights for features like voice conversations, multiple languages, and dialects. They also have custom contents and customizable AI tutors. The only downside is they have limitations and cautions, so it's not beginner friendly. Learners need to be at least level A1 or level A2. They even have at least a good speech recognition accuracy, which may vary, and they also have a high pricing and trial options. So in conclusion, Tokyo is legitimate and valuable for spoken language practice, especially for intermediate learners.